Hello everyone, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. Also remember that we are still in the 52-week challenge because our 52 weeks are almost over. We have how many months left?
4. No, 5.
4.
4. Yeah, we have 4 months left for the 52-week challenge.
Yeah.
If you've been challenging yourself with us, I think now you have improved your tonation, you've improved your vocabulary, and you can now make sentences. Don't you have to be quiet? So today, welcome for the new people in here. This is Luo English Dictionary. This is Nikki. My name is Agina. And what we do here is we try to learn the Luo language. Today we are going to learn how to frame questions. So I will only give the question, how you call it. You'll see. I don't know how to call it in English.
Okay.
Yeah. Luo, Tony wants to say hi. Say hi.
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 Good. So I'll call you later. So the first question is this.
Nade.
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 Nade. I have
So-
a question.
Yes, a question and a question.
How about nade?
Nade.
And nade.
Nade.
How about nade?
Nade. Some people say nade. I think it's the same thing. Nade. Nade. Nade means how. How. And nade can be used for greeting. You can ask someone nade, and they'll say,
Nade.
they'll say bear. Hey, to Nikki. They'll say bear. So if I ask nade, you say bear, okay?
Yeah.
Number 2 is how many.
How many?
So how many is
Adi.
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 How many? Okay? So that is adi means how many.
How many people?
Ginji adi.
Genji Adi.
Ginji adi.
Genji Adi.
Did you give an example for nadi?
No.
Near the how.
Yeah. How are
You
you?
give.
How are
No,
you?
no. For a question.
How many people? No. How are they?
No. Let's say how might be itimo gino nade. How do you do that? Itimo gino nade. The other one is how, and you'd say again.
Nango.
Read that.
Nango.
Huh?
Nango.
Nango. Which nango is this now? Because there is why. Why can be nango
And how can
and how can be nango. Now it depends on how you're asking them. If you're asking the why, you see the why there? If you're asking the why, you say nango. Say nango.
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 Yes, nango.
Nango.
But if you're asking the how, you say nango.
Nango.
Okay? So if someone is saying, can I switch off the lights? Anyalo nego taya. Then you'll ask why. And that would be nango.
Nango.
But if someone asks, can you lift this? Nango.
Nango.
So it's a very slight tonation difference.
So
But if you use nango and you're new and you're using it on a Luo, they would know which nango you mean. So don't worry about saying it wrong or something like that, okay? If you use nango or nango or nango or nango, whichever nango you use.
so
Yes.
The how nango is low pitched while the high one is high
Correct,
pitched.
correct. We ni mwalimu. You are a good teacher. Better than me. Now, the next one is another one called ango.
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 And ango means what?
What?
Nini. Okay? So, ango means what? Ango. En ango. What is it? En ango. Okay? Ango machandi.
Okay.
What's giving you problems? Okay? Ango. What? Okay? Next one is kar ango.
Kar ango.
It's the same ango, but now we have a kar on top of it. Kar ango. And kar ango means
When?
when. Kar ango. Kar ango means when. So, if you asked, ibiro kar ango.
Ibiro kar ango.
Abiro teach ariyo.
Abiro teach ariyo.
That means
You are coming on Tuesday.
Tuesday, yes. Teach ariyo is Tuesday. I'm coming on Tuesday. Another one is kanye.
Kanye. Where?
Kanye means where. Kanye. Where?
Kanye.
Idi kanye.
Idi Kanye.
Where are you going? Idi kanye.
Did you do the 5 W's?
It's difficult to do the 5 W's because Luo has a lot of they mean a lot of things.
Yeah.
So they're not really 5 as such. Okay?
Who, what, when, where, why.
Because you'll see I have the who and I have who here. I have
What?
who 1, 2, 3, 4. I have who 4 times. Different things. Okay? That's the difference between Luo and because what might mean ango, what is just ango, but why is nango, where will be eke, ere, mane, those are, which will be mage, never mind. What have we just done? Where?
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
no, karango.
We
We have done kanye. Okay, where are?
Yeah.
Where are becomes eke.
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 Where are? So
Where
if you're
are?
going to ask a question that has plural, like where are they? Ekege.
Ekegi.
Yes. Where are they? If there are many, then it becomes eke. But when it is just one, you say ere.
Ere.
So erego.
Erego.
Where is she? Erego.
Erego.
So ere and eke, the difference is one is plural and one is singular. Where are eke? Where is ere? Okay? Then we look on to which is mane.
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 Mane. That is singular. For which plural becomes mage.
Mage.
And mage has another meaning also. So mage, if you're asking a question, gingik mage. Gingik mage.
Gingik mage.
Which things are they? Okay?
Which reminded me of another word in Luo.
Yes.
Head.
Which? Oh yeah, which is head.
Yeah.
Which of which? This which means head in Luo, but now this is English and this is Luo and this is Luo. Okay? So that's good. And we'll do another video about English words that have Luo meanings. So just so that you see that we have some English words which might be pronounced differently in Luo, and they mean different things in Luo. Remind us in the comments if you don't see the video within 1 week. Yeah. The other one, nga.
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 Ngano.
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 Ngawa.
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 Ngageni.
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 So ngageni is who, plural. Nga is who, singular. Okay? Ngano is who, singular. Ngawa
Who?
is who, mane? Ngawa. Ngawa is also who, singular. See the way Luo is complex? Now we have nga gini. Who? Now that is who, but many people you're asking, like which people, who, or like which example can I give? Like who are the people who came in the morning? Nga gini manobiro gokinyi. Okay, that's plural. Then nga, who came in the morning? Nga manobiro gokinyi. Nga manobiro gokinyi. And then ngano. Imiyo ngano. Say ngano.
Ngano.
Ebu sema hizi zote.
Ngagini. Nga. Ngano. Ngawa.
Good. This is a very, very complex thing. Please practice. Practice 100 times. Then the last one is why.
Why?
And the why, there is why which was, you remember there's why which was nango. But there's another one which is marango. Marango can be translated as because of why.
Because of what?
Yes.
But
Marango.
I thought
Or-
it was because of what?
Because of why. Marango. Because ango is why. Okay? And ango can also be what. I mean, we have a lot of confusion here. But say that.
Marango.
Marango. Okay? Good. I hope you've enjoyed the questions, and we shall do a second video to follow up with this, which will be questions, putting them in correct sentences. I hope by then we shall have our computer ready, so you'll just be able to see the sentence and read it. Good. Beautiful things are coming. Hold on there. Tiki.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like. Please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post.
When we post.
You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Patreon as
Luo English Dictionary. And we now have a website, www.luoenglishdictionary.com. Please, a link is in the description below. Please get in there. Subscribe so that you can get free. We'll be giving out free newsletters. Free newsletters, especially for the kids, especially for the new guys. We love you. Okay? Click here, Kanye. Here.
Yeah.
Here to subscribe. Here for a video. Here for a video. For now.
Oriti. Goodbye.